All right, y'all. So now we're on part C. It says you're going to attempt to copy your original triangle using only two of its sides and the included angle. Using point E as the center, draw a circle with a radius equal to the length of what we got for part B, right? So what I got for part B was 4.664. So that's going to be what we're going to use. And so we'll go here, click on E. That's going to be our, whoops. Let me just show you how I did this first, right? Click here, click circle, center, and radius. So E will be our center. Our radius is going to be, again, what they tell us right here, N times CA. So for me, that was 4.664. Remember, it'll be different for everyone because everyone used different numbers, right? So I'm putting that in here and it gives us this so far, right? And you see the circle there, you have E as a center point. And then the next thing it says, using point E as the vertex and DE as one side of the angle, create an angle that is equal to the measure of BCA. And so BCA, remember, is like this C in the middle is what we want. So we're going to use part E as one of the angles and create an angle that is a measurement. All right. So then right here, we want this E to be the same as C right here. So remember, to do that, you're going to go here and click on this, right here on this angle part. An angle with a given size, what we're going to do, because we want it to be the same as this, 45 degrees. So you're going to click here, here, and then mine already says 45 degrees, but you would put that right there, 45 degrees, and then click OK. Right, and then it gives you that angle, that 45 degrees. Right, and then it says create an angle that is equal to the measurement, and then draw ray ED. Right, so we're going to draw the ray ED. So to do that, you go here, click on the ray, and then you just click on E, and then click on D. All right, so I'm going to do this move, so I can move this way so I can see more of it. All right. And then, so we did that part, right? We did the second bullet point. Then it says, locate the intersection of the ray and the circle and label the point F. So the ray is right here. The circle is right here. And so we're just going to label right there where they intersect. And I'll do this right here, point, and just click right where they intersect, the ray and the circle. And that gives point F, right? So then after that, it says, label the point F, then complete triangle DEF by drawing a polygon through points D, E, and F. Right, so then we're just going to go here to the polygon icon, click that, click polygon, and then just connect all of the points D, E, F, and then just close it up. And let me actually move it so you can see both triangles next to each other. And so then it says, take a screenshot of your results, save it, and insert the image below. So make sure you do that so I know that you actually created the triangles, right? So again, if that kind of was too fast, just pause it, even slow it down, rewind it, and make sure that you insert the image. But that's how you do part C.